And one more is that what is the value of x after the code shown in executed? That again I'm given the matrix of A 317542896. X is equal to A of n and 1. So what is the answer? Yeah, like now I'm getting the multiple answers. Darshini is saying 6, Srileya Narayan say 1, Ashok sir said P. Yeah, please, remaining participants, please put your answers in the chat box. We'll see. So first I'll go to for Darshini, like how she can say this is like 6. No, it's wrong. Like Srileya Narayan sir said like 1. There's no like result, maybe sir. Ashok sir said is 8. Yeah, ultimately the send is the last of 1 means E2. So one more question, like what is the value of x after the code shown in is executed? But again, I'm same matrix as given A, and the x of x is equal to A of 4 of 2. My multiple choice is a 6, 8, 9, and error is produced. Error. Yeah, please, everyone, like if you know the correct or maybe wrong, just you put so that I can aware you people are like listening my training session. Please, if you're the correct or wrong, whatever it may be, please put your opinion on the chat box. So I'll go for 6. No, it is not correct. Then 8. No, it is again 9. No. Then ultimately is getting that error. Why? Because A of is a 4 of 2. That is the last one is like what is the value of x after coding shown in the same matrix are given. X is equal to A of n minus 1 comma 2. Same thing I think we are executed just now. What is the answer? Yeah, most of the participants 4. Yeah, please, if you know the answer, yeah, please put it in the chat box. Sri say 4, Morning Apla 4, Yogeshwari Alantam Swami 4. Let's see. Like maybe I'll go starting anyway. 1, it is wrong. Shall I go for 9? Why it is not wrong? There is a like R is a rows in A, so that is minus 1 is a common element in the second row. Yeah, ultimately. If I am putting that error, yeah, ultimately this is also like answer is 4. Yeah, now this is a time to we have to extract the signal element. For example, I have the any signal element is there. So directly they're given that that is a range of 0 and m is equal to random number they're using. Yesterday we said that rand numbers are maybe zeros or maybe ones. So the same command they're using here is the rand. So they're using the 5 comma 3. So 5 rows and 3 column. So here they want to like the variable name is x, so that I can take the x here, like the highlighting the location of it is a matrix as em, so that I'm taking that em. Like they're asking that code in the highlight of 4 comma 2. So here it is showing something what are the variable you are indexing, maybe are columns, rows and column. So when as I told like rows and columns this is a format is there. The height is correct. So same thing, like they're asking to again creating the location of the matrix as em, so that I can take that again matrix as em. Sorry, the variable named is y. So here I'm taking that y is equal to matrices of em of, like they're asking create the variable name is the contains the value of element stored by the highlighting of the location. So this highlighting location is there is a one row, that's why I'm taking the first row, and that is a column is a 3.